All right, in this question, we have a group that's being put together, and it's on a team. So there's nothing about position or anything that goes along with it. So this is going to be a combination also. We're looking at probability here that you have two people that you know of, Betty and Bill. They're part of 10 people, so they're two people out of the other remaining 8 people. We want to find the probability that Betty is selected to be part of the 5-person defense and Bill will not. Okay, so really what we're looking at here is, and I like to write this out in words, but it's, so Betty is going to be on this team along with 4 other people, okay, but not Bill and not Betty. And what I mean by that is, of those 4 people, maybe I'll put that in parentheses, not Betty and not Bill, okay, out of a total of, it's a combination here, so there's 10 people to choose from, and we're choosing a total of 5 of them. So in this case, to choose Betty, you can do this as a combination if you want to, but it's really just one person, so that we have to have that and meaning multiplication because we're doing probability. And we're looking at a group of people, so it's 4 people, and we're choosing them from, of the 10 people, it can't be Bill and it can't be Betty, so there's only 8 people left to choose from. So it's, of those 8 people, we're choosing 4 of them. And the denominator is still the combination where we have 10 and we're choosing 5 of them. Okay. Now, in this case, when we type that in the calculator, this comes out to be 70 over 252, which is approximately 27.78%. And that's it.